After a good night of camping and looking at this beautiful sunrise, I decided to go hit the trails to see what the truck could do with this new lockers and gears. This trail only has a couple obstacles, but I was more concerned about exploring the trails than hitting some obstacles. But we will be hitting some obstacles today, so stay along for the ride. This obstacle have many different lines that you can choose, but I decided to choose the hardest line and turn on my rear lockers to see if it could push me up over that obstacle. This is the same obstacle, besides from the front bumper view with the GoPro 09 Black. Once again, testing out the new gears and lockers to see how they do on obstacles. This is the view from the front bumper. This trail has plenty of little obstacles and rocks where you can really test the limitation of your vehicle. This is one of my favorite water crossings on this obstacle. Unfortunately, it hasn't been raining lately, so it was kind of sad. Right next to this obstacle is a nice little mud pit that I normally don't go in because the water is normally higher and you can't see what's below it. But I had some fun working my way through this as well. I tried using the rear lockers to help push me through this section. This trail has a lot of different terrain, obstacles, and water crossings, which keeps the day on the trail interesting. Y'all don't know this, but this is the second time I'm on this trail, and before I would high center on all these spots. This is me right here. Last time I was here, I was with Ben, and I had to winch off of Ben on each one of these hills. So we still got some more to go. But we'll see how it goes. Hey Marley, come here. Okay. If I get stuck, I'll let y'all know. If not, just enjoy the ride. We did a whole lot of scraping, That's why you buy sliders. Made it down without winching. Ben, you'll be very proud of me, man. All right, I'm not gonna tackle this next part, but maybe next time when I have some people with me. Okay, let's go. Sometimes whenever you try to go too hard, you just high center yourself. This is why you buy sliders. Gonna mix that up. While we buy sliders. All right, let's get this thing out. So that's it. We're aired up, back on gravel road, heading back to the house. It was a quick one-nighter trip, but it was well worth it. I just hate being in the city sometimes, so coming out here to nature and enjoying, you know, the simple things in life really brings perspective to life and what's going on. But thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff. And I'll see you next time.